Hi everyone, welcome. In this tutorial we're looking at another project in Scratch. A project name is Basic Race Game, and when we press the flag and we press the space, the game starts and a timer goes on. If we touch the black parts accidentally, it will say try again, and I press space one more time to reset the timer, and I can control navigate the car by arrow keys. If I go to reach out to blue one, it will say congratulations, and I can see the 5.7 seconds I have finished this. Now you can see the coding. I hope you will enjoy it. In the coding part, first we have to remove this cat, and then from the sprite I will write the car, and I will get convertible and name it car. And secondly, I have to also set my background. I have to go to backdrops and then click on the paint. And first we will color the background to black. Okay. I can choose my brush and set this to 100. And I will color this to black completely. Okay. So all the roads will be, all the background gonna be black, but the road gonna be in the color of white. And now I'm gonna choose the color of white. Okay. And we will just draw a figure like a basic map. And of course there should be also a start point. I will do this by drawing a line. I can choose a green one, okay, and set the number to 7. It's okay. Or let's make this a little bit thicker by making this 25. Alright, so the car gonna start from here and then have to make a loop. If it touches the green, it will finish the game and you're a winner. If you touch to the black, it's gonna say try again. Now we can go to the car, and by the way we can do also little touches to the car to give an exhaust fumes, which will give an effect like you're pulling the gas. And to do this we will click right and duplicate this, and in every duplicates we will try to draw more exhaust fumes. We will choose the color of goldish, or like a color of whatever you like. I will go with this color, okay, and make the size 7 maybe. And I will go to duplicate another one, and every time when I go to duplicate I will try to draw bigger one. Okay, so as I switch the pictures, we will see more exhaust fumes, which will show like the car is moving, someone is pulling the gas. Now we go to car one more time, back to car, and then from the codes we will start coding, but first we have to make it fit to the road by decreasing the size. I'll make this 30%, or 30 is very small. I'll make this 35 and fit to this stage. Okay, this time I will make a move from this side. And now we can start with coding. And the coding part, when I press to space, I want him start moving if anyone start navigating by the arrow keys. So when I press the arrow key up, so it's gonna make him go forward. Okay, by the way I get forever, so we have to go with the if conditions. Okay, I go to sensing. From the sensing there is a key pressed. If somebody presses the up, okay, so which will pull the gas, and I will make him go forward. I can just say move like 4 steps. And by the way, it has to switch to customs. Okay, I'll say them next custom. So when I do this, you can directly see it go to forward. Okay, it goes to forward. And now I'm gonna go to with another ones. I can directly duplicate this and make it right, and instead of this I can say turn 3 degrees to the right. Okay, and for left I can make it left, but I will get another block. Okay, also 3 degrees left. Let's try now. When I go to navigate by arrow keys, it works very good, but when I touch the black or green, it reacts nothing. So we have to now work on this part.